Hello Mzonsi, welcome to Mgoza's Mzansi. If today is the first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. I'm a girlfriend, I'm Pumelelo Mselego, or they are twinning Amandle Kasela, the new girl, and Utirelo, or Babonagale, I'm a picture in Obama, but Bakatanis Ababona good time, man. Lethu ngazuthi ithanda i-fashion sense leyi-one. Some were saying ukuthi bathi ngathi bahlada buka-Shein. Some said ukuthi that's why uMpumelelo awabuka amahle wamthanda ukuthi wavele wabona ukuthi hayi lo gqoka njengaderelo lo. So people are saying ukuthi it's giving the perfect sijolo says Thembu. People are just saying ukuthi baze bagqoka into lefanako. Bathi abantu mabacomparisha ama-picture babona ukuthi hayi mani uAmandle and uTerelo ngathi bathanze fashion sense leyi-one, because ama-pictures abo nje nalamaningi sibonile ukuthi bagqoke izinto letifanako. Lokwente abantu basho ukuthi hey la khona ukwateni uTerelo ukwateni. People are now even calling uTerelo ugogo Terelo, bathi yo ukwateni ugogo Terelo makabona abantu baqathanisa ama-pictures akhe no Amandle. Guys, the new girl is pretty sure. Like she's really cute. Nkosi yami lokwenta abantu basho ukuthi bayamdzabukela yathi kokuthi uthi porcelain mara kulo mfana wasemzumbe lobutwa lobetwa ngasibinzi because uzozisola. Uthi tamakafika lapha bambuta ukuthi yini la ithanzile ngaMpumelelo ugelo washo ukuthi uyahlekisa uMpumelelo abantu bathi hayi wena yini lehlekisayo nje laphana kusibinzi. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you on the next one. I'm signing out. So goodbye.